What's up guys, it's James from SeekaHost. In this video we're going to be going over how to create a page with your sitemap, which you can then add, let users use to find you if they can't find something specifically on the menu, and it's just going to be better for your SEO on your website, navigation, and a good all-arounder to get done on your site. Now to do this, we're just going to need a free plugin called All-in-One SEO. If you don't have this already, just go to your plugin section, go to add new, and then search for All-in-One SEO, install it, and then activate it. It's pretty much as simple as that, and it's going to give you your framework for creating your sitemaps very quickly and easily. So now if I go to a new page, I'm just going to call this sitemaps, or sitemap rather, and it's as easy as choosing the sitemap block. So we're going to go to a new column right over here, click the plus button, and then type in sitemap. As you can see, we now have the all-in-one sitemap clicked up. If we click that, that's automatically now going to find all of our pages, posts, pretty much everything that we have on our site. That includes categories and post categories, depending on if you have WooCommerce. That's pretty much as quick, easy, and simple as it is to get sitemap up there. Now to actually change it from the default section, if you come over to your right, click this so it's not use default settings, and then you can change accordingly, whether you want to show labels, show the publishing date, whether you want to include all post types, include all taxonomies. If you click this off, you can then go ahead and put this separately on what you want. So you might only want categories and tags. If you have got a WooCommerce shop, you might want product categories. It really is up to you and your type of site. Of course, I'm not going to go through all of this, sort order. Now, if you want to do stuff like exclude posts or pages, you can do so by searching the name of the page in the search box right here. So for instance, I might not want my account showing. So what I can do is I can search that up, click it, and then it will then take my account off of the page. Apart from that, you can go ahead, change this, make it suit your blogs, your post, your website, and then publish it, and you've got yourself a sitemap. Quickly and easily as that. Thanks again for watching. Hit that like button if you haven't already, and subscribe to our channel to show more videos like this in your feed. We'll see you next time. Bye bye.